Hi, as you can see, I have an orange in my hands. Actually, I have three oranges, and we are going to make orange cake today. Cakes are actually very versatile things. They can take anything. You can make cakes out of anything almost. I mean, what not? Chocolates and apple and pineapple and now orange. So first we have to make the good flavor. We have to take out the good flavor of the orange, and that I am going to do by removing that orange part of the oranges, that just see, I have already peeled two oranges, but you may notice that I am taking only the orange portion or green portion in this case, but I'm not using the white ones. There is some white layer underneath, and that makes your cake very bitter. So I am taking only the orange portion. So you see, we have removed zest from all the oranges, and now we are going to squeeze the juice of these three oranges, because we are going to use it later in our recipe. So let's squeeze it and strain it very well, because we don't want seeds in our cake. So here we have got our orange juice, and now the next step is we have to make a paste of this zest, and it is very difficult to make a paste of this zest because it's not a lot, and when you put it in mixer grinder it doesn't work. So I have a very great trick for this. Actually, I will take this sugar. I have 90 grams sugar for record, and I have exactly 90 gram oil also. So I will put these three things together and put it in a blender, and I will make a very nice paste of this, and that I will use in my recipe. So let's make a paste of this. Here we have made a very nice paste of all our ingredients. It's looking awesome. Okay, so now that our paste is ready, we have oil in this, we have sugar in this, and we have orange zest in this. And to this I am going to add two nice eggs, very innocent looking eggs. I am using just two because I am not going to make a big cake. And I am also adding this orange juice. And I will mix the whole thing together. Now for our solid ingredients. For solid ingredients, I have taken 150 grams of flour, maida, and in this I am going to add about half teaspoon of baking powder, a little bit of baking soda also. That works with the because we have orange juice in this, so it works as a citric acid, and with acid baking soda works very well. And salt I am going to use in a very small quantity. You can totally skip it altogether, but if you have to use, you have to use it in a very small quantity, just the tip of my knife. This much will be okay. I will mix all these things together, and now that our liquid ingredients and solid ingredients are ready separately, I am going to put them together, and our cake batter is ready. Then we are going to bake it. But before we mix them, I have another thing. I have some roasted nuts here. I have some cashew nuts, almonds, and some walnuts. I have roasted them well, and some raisins also. Raisins I am going to cut into small pieces. That always helps. So I will just roughly chop them like this. They are kind of sticky, but they will do. They taste wonderful in this recipe. So I have everything here. I'm going to add my dry fruits and raisins in this liquid. And now I'm going to add that dry ingredient, that means the flour and baking powder, and I will give it a good mix. This is looking awesome, and I can't explain to you how well it smells. The flavor of orange and all the nuts, I'm getting it already. So I will just pour this mixture in an already well greased mold. So I have spread them it roughly, but it doesn't look very smooth on the top, but trust me, when it goes into the oven it will become super smooth. So it's ready. Let's go to bake the cake. Okay, my cake is super ready now, and you can see it. I'm going to just cut it and tell you how it tastes. So the most difficult part is how to get the thing out of this pan. Let me run the knife at the corners, the edges actually. It's a round mold, so it doesn't have any corner. Awesome. Now I think I can cut it. Let's see what happens, how it tastes. Okay, so this is the cake I was talking about. I was telling you that the crispy layer will become soft again, so it has become a bit softer, and the cake is moist inside. The aroma is bewildering. I can't explain to you. You have to make it yourself to see how good it tastes and how good it smells actually. So let me try it. Good. The nuts are awesome. It isn't too sweet, it isn't too bland. Actually, I have used only half the amount of sugar necessary for a cake, because the orange juices they do have some sweetness inside. So I'm going to eat the whole cake myself. Amazing. So this is going to be my Christmas cake, and I'm going to make one more banana cake, banana bread they call it, and orange cake. Okay, so see you again.